Hi, this is Fred from 4x4shop.ca. Today we installed backup camera for 2016 Audi A7. We did the OEM fit camera, replacing trunk handle release, same as Audi. That's the latest CAN bus in Audi, and the unit is fully compatible with the latest CAN bus, which is high-speed CAN bus. So as soon as we go to reverse, the screen shift to backup camera. When we go back to park, goes back to the original MMI. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.